Well, guys, it's been a cold winter. Get to work on a little bit of Red Roadster. Take this bad boy apart. Figure out why it was running so poorly. I think we put the wrong cylinder heads on it. So we gotta switch them out, fix the oil pan, maybe switch the torque converter, do a couple things, and then hopefully we'll be out this season. So this is Gramps' little shop here. So I got a little bit of it taken apart. Ready to take the intake off, then take the valve train out. We gotta re-bush the connecting rods, I guess, and get some new pistons. I want to put some dished pistons and a turb ski on here, but what do? Like and subscribe to the old Loud Mic Media. Who knows if we'll get this thing out much this year. It's got a big old tire. It's just a little cubic inch. 331 small block Ford. The Power Glide. No delay box. We run the ONDR. We got 2 events at Grand Bend this year. Looks like the valves were hitting the pistons right there.